So let's start.
Hello dear friend, this is Ayyub, you're watching Ayyub Tech channel, and today I'm come back again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use computer function on Android phone. Actually we all use Android phone, but we also want to use computer function, but which actually we do not, so that is really problematic. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can use computer function on Android phone. So guys, this is really easiest process. So before I start in this process, I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel and also keep the like that video. So let's start. So guys, first of all you need to download one kind of software, which is, as you can see, in my home screen. So actually I have already downloaded this software, this application. Application name is Winx Launcher. So for downloading this application, so just open the Play Store and search here computer launcher. Then guys, so there you can see guys, this application already, actually I have already downloaded this application, so that's why it will show open icon. So after downloading this application, so then just get back from here. Then guys, just open the application. Then guys, wait for a few seconds. So now guys, as you can see, it's looking as like it's computer. So guys, this is, so guys, as you can see guys, now I can use computer in my Android phone. So guys, as you can see, it's like it's computer. You can see all kind of photo. So guys, this is really easiest process. So guys, if you get helpful this video, please subscribe and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of problem, that please tell me. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.